Multimedia is a combination of text, animated graphics, video, and sound delivered to via electronic means. It is what appeals to user for entertainment, learning, and research.
Hoy, anong ginagawa mo? Nagtitiktok. Sana ka. Tara.
Through video hosting sites, you can take a video and show it to the entire world.
Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy.
Ano yan? Music malamang. Paano ba kasi kabuoin? Uy, podcast ang sunusundan. Podcast? An episodic series like YouTube, manood ka, may tutorial doon. Maayos.
Is the recording, broadcasting, and display of moving visual media. Sounds, music, audio. If videos are too much for you, you can always record sounds. You can now share your sound bites the entire world. Online games is simply the playing of a video game over in the internet, usually with friends. Online tests. Online survey forms and tests that automatically display the results when finished. Courseware. Online courses that simulate the classroom online. Podcast. An episodic series of audio or text files streamed online. Vodcast, an episodic series of videos streamed online.
May natutunan ka ba, be?
Kung meron, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.
Again, we are the Power Tech. Handang magbigay ng kaalaman, basta't kami ay huwag kakalimutan.
Wow!